Autonomous machines or automated processes have existed for a while now. There was this concept of workflows wherein you give a system a series of steps and it would follow the functions that you have defined to achieve a particular goal. Now, the systems with this advent of Gen AI or with the large language model revolution are becoming more intelligent. And when we say more intelligent, it means that agents are now able to not only follow the steps that you have assigned, but they can go one step ahead by thinking, planning, learning from experience, adapting per changed environments, and then executing a particular goal. For example, you could create an agent which would order ice cream for you on a Friday evening, even before large language models existed. But now you will be able to just tell your agent to order ice cream for you when you need it the most, right? Probably a stressful day, your agent would be able to sense basis your conversation with. Not only that, you may have another agent which actually rates that ice cream place for you basis your response after having the ice cream. And you may also have another health agent which warns you for having a lot of ice cream or intaking a lot of calories. There is no end to what these intelligent software systems, or also called AI agents, can do. They are powerful. They are going to exist. I think they are going to make our lives easier, but securing them becomes extremely important, because what if one agent goes rogue? What if a self-driving car goes rogue? A self-driving car is a very good example of an autonomous agent, and just think about it. What if it goes rogue? Hence, securing agents become very important, and I think it is going to become more crucial in upcoming years. So let's learn about agentic AI security risks from a high level and then dig deeper in our upcoming video series.